Olaf's quiet night. Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, lived a friendly snowman named Olaf. He was Elsa's beloved snowman friend from the magical kingdom of Arendelle. One night, Olaf decided to stay awake until the moon was high in the sky. He wanted to see what the forest looked like in the soft glow of the moonlight. As the sun set, Olaf felt a shiver of excitement run down his icy body. The forest was peaceful and quiet, just as he imagined it would be. He saw tiny glints of stars twinkling through the leaves of the trees. Olaf noticed that the forest animals were also enjoying the night. He saw a family of rabbits nibbling on carrots, a fox peeking out from behind a tree, and even a deer prancing gracefully. Suddenly, Olaf heard a soft sound. It was Elsa singing a lullaby from their castle. The beautiful melody filled the forest, and Olaf felt a warm feeling in his carrot-filled heart. Feeling a bit tired from all the excitement, Olaf decided it was time to go to sleep. He trudged back to his home near Elsa's castle, leaving the peaceful forest behind. As he settled into his bed of fresh snow, Olaf felt content. He had learned that moonlit nights in the forest were indeed magical, but there was nothing quite like being near his dear friend Elsa. With a warm heart and a cozy bed, Olaf drifted off to sleep, dreaming of more adventures in the enchanted forest of Arendelle. And so, the night ended with Olaf snuggled in his snowbed, dreams dancing in his eyes, and a smile on his snowy face. Good night, dear reader, and may your dreams be as magical as Olaf's.